run. This is Blues Harp 5.9. Getting your hog ready to drive for spring. This bike sat for 8 months. It's in storage. And the first thing you want to do is, when I stored it last fall, I had all the fluids changed, oil, everything. Then I put stable in the fuel, filled the tanks, put stable in there so it keeps it from gumming up. And I pretty much fogged the cylinders, started them up, smoke it, then you shut it off, okay? Now, so then that sat all winter. So anyway, now what you can do is first, when you come spring now, you're going to check your tire pressure, 35 psi in the front, 35 to 40 in the rear, okay? Check all your fluids, which are good. I already checked them, okay? Do a walk around, check your turn signals, brake lights, horn. Pretty much just do a thorough go over, check all your electrical. Hazard flashers, all that. That's what you got to do. So we'll do another walk over this way. Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to turn your gas on. Okay, there we go. The top is for reserve. Bottom is on. That's your main tank. Straight up is off. Okay, so you turn that on. Then you pull your choke out. Pull the choke fully out. Okay, pull that fully out. Then you're going to set it to run. Set it to run. Give her a couple shots of fuel. There's a start button here, right there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to turn the key. It's on. There you go. And always make sure it's in neutral, because you go to start it and it's in gear, it's going to tip. So anyway, there you go. So the gas is ready. Let's fire it up, see if she goes. There we go. There you go, voila. She's running. There you go. That's what you want to do. Kind of open a little bit. So what you want to do is let it warm up about 3-4 minutes. And then once it starts warming up, you want to bring your choke about halfway in. And you're getting less air fuel mixture. So when she's fully warmed up, you can push that all the way in. There you go, guys. Check everything, check your horn. And don't forget to wear a helmet, gloves, goggles, and boots. There you go. Blues Harp 5.9. She's running. I had it running earlier. I cheated. That's why I revved it. All right, peace out from Mr.